sorry ass DJ.
As I have said, I'm practicing my tongue to speak English. So I will upload videos in English. Hopefully, you know, it it makes my tongue twist. So for this video, we'll talk about tongue twister. For us to learn, also for me to learn English little by little, so hopefully my speaking skill will become more natural. English is not my native tongue, so I find it difficult. So without further ado, let's start. So what is a tongue twister? What is a tongue twister? Cambridge Dictionary defines it as a sentence or phrase that is intended to be difficult to say, especially when repeated quickly and often. I will punish myself. So let's warm up our speech muscle with this easy tongue twister for beginners like me. Beginner. If you are beginner, let's talk about this. First, we have 11 benevolent elephants. Let's say that. Alright. I'll try that. 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent elephants. Fair. Next one, we have this. She sees cheese. How is that? She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. My lips are not moving. Is it? Alright. Next we have this one. Willie's rear wheel. No. Willie's rear wheel. Willie's rear wheel. No. I changed it. No. It's Willie's rear wheel. Willie's rear wheel. Willie's rear wheel. Willie's rear wheel. Did you say that correctly? Or does your tongue twisted? Willie's rear wheel. Mind you guys, we are only at the beginners. So this is, I find this difficult. What more in advance or the pro stage? This one. That is really, Larry, rarely, Larry. Really, Leary, rarely, Larry. So my R is difficult, the letter R. Really, what's that? Really, Leary, rarely, Larry. Really, Leary, rarely, Really, Leary, rarely, Larry. Really, Leary, rarely, Larry. Really, Larry, rarely, Larry. Did you find it difficult, guys? Can you try this one, guys? Fresh fried fish. Fresh fried fish. Fresh fried fish. Oh, that's easy. Fresh fried fish. Fresh fried. Fresh fried fish. Fresh fried fish. Oh, not bad. What about this one? Six sticky skeleton. 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 How many is that? Six sticky skeleton. Six. See? Six sticky skeleton. I can recite that slower. Six sticky skeleton. 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 Right. That's great. How about this one? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Was he? Alright, let's see it. I'll try to read this. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Can you try that? Alright, all together. Let's try this. Ready? Go. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Let's try again. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy. Was he? Was he? Alright, this one is very popular amongst us. Here in the Philippines, in our English subject, whenever we have to discuss about tongue twisters, this is a very popular tongue twister here. Let's try this one. Alright. I can recite that even if my eyes is closed. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled pepper, piri pari picky, piri pari pick a peck of pickled pepper. Then where's a peck of pickled pepper, piri pari pick? So that's it. Let's try another one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled pepper, piri pari pick a peck of pickled pepper. Then where's a peck of pickled pepper, piri pari pick? So you see, guys, I memorized that because back in elementary days, that's one tongue twister I remember. Let's try another tongue twister. Here is ice cream. No. It's I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I am a Filipino. In elementary school, we speak this way. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. But if we make it fluid, to make it more standard-like, let's say, if you're an adult, you have to speak this way. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Not bad. How are we going? Is there any progress with our tongue? Because I think I have little progress with my muscle, with my speech muscle. Yeah. This one. Try this. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? What is that? Let's internalize first. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? So you have to phrase it first. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh, that's it. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Oh, that's it. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? No. Sorry. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I'm sorry. Try this one. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. Oh, I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I sit this. Sorry. See, I have to read this one. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. It's hard. Did you find it difficult to recite? Because I did find it difficult to recite. Yes. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thank you for watching. By the way, I will give you one Filipino tongue twister, and I hope you will enjoy this reading, practicing if you wanted to go here. Here it goes. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. So in English, that is, I bought a lizard intestine at the drugstore. So bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. So if you will try to recite that faster, bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. So, faster, fastest. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. So, bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. Hopefully, guys, you enjoy this vlog. Because I enjoy this vlog. Even though I'm here all alone. I am alone here. No one is here. Because I cannot vlog. I cannot film if somebody is watching. I don't know. So follow for more. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.